Hey beautiful, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Harshada and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So today I'll be sharing a quick and easy glow up routine which will make you look attractive without makeup as well. You can do this pampering session for any festival or wedding function. Also, with this glow up session, I will be doing my skincare. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step of skincare is cleansing. I am using this simple face wash to clean my face and it's a very gentle face wash. I have already talked about this face wash in my previous videos. So if you want to know more, then please check out my previous videos later. So the next step I'm doing is face steaming. Steam open up your pores, making it easier to remove dirt and it helps to absorb skincare products better. If you have sensitive skin, I will not recommend to do face steaming frequently. But as I have a dry skin type, I do face steaming after every 15 to 20 days. Next, I am using this nose blackhead removing strip. You have to apply some water on your nose and then keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. And till the time I will apply a face pack. For face pack, I have used besan, pinch of haldi powder, some curd and 4 to 5 drops of rose water. We all know besan has so many benefits for the skin. It reduces wrinkles, lightening skin, controlling oiliness, promoting clearer skin, and reducing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Also apply the face pack on your neck and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. Till it gets dry, I remove the blackhead patch and apply the face pack on my nose as well. Next I am applying this homemade body scrub. To prepare this pack, I use some coffee powder, honey, sugar and coconut oil. Coffee and sugar particles gently remove dead skin cells to give a bright and soft effect to your skin. I have done body scrubbing for 4 to 5 minutes and then washed my hands with water. Next, I will gently remove the face pack in scrubbing direction. Then I will be using a lip scrub. I am using this mcaffen lip scrub. This lip scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, improve blood circulation, and make lips softer and smoother. I will keep it for 10 minutes and then wash. And the next is my favorite part. I will be applying a sheet mask because every pamper session is incomplete without it. Keep it for 15 minutes. It feels so relaxing on skin. It can improve skin health by treating damaged, dry, or sunburned skin. It makes the skin soft and glowing. Then I will apply this Nivea body lotion on my hands. After scrubbing, my hands are feeling very soft and gentle. And I am also using a GuaShal to massage my face in upward direction. It improves blood circulation which help your skin glow naturally. Next I am applying the lip balm from Dot& Key and it's a very good lip balm and I am really loving it. Next I am using this Cetaphil under eye cream. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness while nourishing skin's hydration. Next I am using this serum from The Ordinary. It's very lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. I will next apply a moisturizer which is my favorite, Rice Ceramide by the Face Shop. I am using this from last 1 year and I am totally loving the results. I have skipped the sunscreen because I have done this pampering session in the night time. If you are doing it in a daytime, please don't skip the sunscreen. So yeah guys, this was my glow up routine. I was feeling very relaxed and refreshed. My skin was looking very glowy and radiant and I'm loving the results. Definitely try this glow up routine this festive season or wedding season. And if you feel video was helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. And also, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful.